next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're going to start from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. So you can see that we closed yesterday nearly down almost 3% for, up 3% for the morning. And pre-market, we're up almost 1% for the morning. So that's good. So let's go ahead and look at our volume. So we're at 341,000. So we're above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see, you guys. Anything below 150,000 we want to kind of stay away from, since it'll be such a slow moving stock. Let's go ahead and go over our support and resistance lines really quickly, and then we'll get into where we're at currently. So up here is our highest level of resistance tested, and this is at the $881 level. And you can see that we came up into this area, got rejected, came to this area, got rejected, and 2 more times. And the last time that we tested ultimately failed and pushed us all the way down to our lower level of support, that being at the 596 area. You can see clearly back here we bounced from this area. So I meant to mention that this is our lowest level of support where we tend to bounce from. So you can see that we bounced from here, we bounced over here, and over here, and over here. So this chart is pretty easy to read. Sometimes they're not as easy, such as that. So this middle line is our minor resistance or support, and that's going to be at the 695. So you can see that after we bounced from our support, we came up, had trouble breaking past this area, kind of consolidating for a while, pulled back, pulled up into our resistance again. So we failed. So what we would call that is a double retest and failure. So a lot of times when you see that, you'll see a huge pullback, or if not a full complete pullback. But you can see that we started this downward trend right here, and then now starting to slightly reverse. You can see on the trend line, we're not quite fully above it. We want to see us to be quite 100% above the trend line. But as of right now, we're kind of just chopping around, really not making any new highs or lows. But what we want to see, you guys, is for this to continue its upward trend up into this resistance area and retest it again. So you can see what happened back here the second time we failed. We want to see this breakout. So if we can come back up into the $696 area or $695, create this breakout to come up, come back down, and retest it as a support level, then this could be the safest and best entry that you could have. You'd set your stop loss or mental stop loss back underneath. So anywhere below the 695 or 696 area would be ideal. So if we do break back below, we'd be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. But as of right now, you guys, we would have to wait for us to actually come back up into this resistance area and then wait for a breakout. And then that would be the best entry as of right now. But other than that, we're kind of just right here in the middle. We don't know if we're going to continue this downward trend and retest our lower level support or come back up here into our resistance area. Okay, so we have to be patient and wait for the best opportunity. You never want to jump into a stock with pure FOMO. The fear of missing out will end up hurting your account, you guys. That's why we always apply technical analysis. There are 100 other different stocks that you can be looking at for the best opportunity. Okay, so if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.